Here we are back for day 2 in Castle Pines, Epic Homes. Got all the cabinets in yesterday. Very hot, very tired. Already set up this morning. Once again, very hot. Gonna be a lot of sweat today. So based on how far the air hose reached, gotta start in bath 2 upstairs. Tile guys are still here, so we won't be going to the basement today. Tile guys. Anyways, we're gonna get this thing started. Thanks. Here we are heading into Castle Pines, day 3 of the Epic Home job. Sadly, we weren't able to film the second half of yesterday. Hey everyone, I'm Aaron, back here in Castle Pines on day 4, Epic Home. We weren't able to film due to other people not wanting to be on film, the other people that were working in the house. So that's okay. We're gonna get started in this kitchen today. Tough to see, got a tight shot. There are cameras and lights everywhere, so let's just watch this thing. Should be fun. I'm excited.